You sure you have gas?
Yes.
You have gas?
And the kitchen is gas and the mi English is no muy bueno. And the estufa, I need gas.
The stove?
In the kitchen,
Oh, the stove.
Yes, I need gas, pero right here I don't know.
Oh.
And that one is in the gas. Yes, I need work.
Okay. It's probably it's blocked.
Oh.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. I see it a lot. So we'll check that.
I need to open the door of the garage or need to open?
If you open it, yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're very welcome.
Get some
Sorry.
air. That's okay.
You want a soda and water?
I'm okay. Thank you. I have water in my truck.
Beer?
Beer, yeah. That's nice. You don't want me drinking beer. I'll be here all night.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. Off my broken feet here. Okay, so service call. We've got no pilot light. We've verified gas. And we have gas. I'm always suspicious. And usually that's like a blocked pilot tube, so we're hoping that's what's going on, because I don't have any of these burner assemblies, but this one's like this one's in really good condition. There's no leaking. Just gonna tighten down that plastic drain valve. What's going on there? What is going on? Can't get a pilot. That's really strange. Alright, we're gonna have to dig into this. Just out of curiosity before I do that. Well, there's a lot of dust. think we got just a lot of dust. The screen had some dust on it. I mean, that shouldn't really shut it down, but you see all this like dust build up all over the place. So I think the dust is involved here. For sure. Okay, so I kind of adjusted the spark rod a little bit. I just kind of bent it over slightly and pulled it back a little bit to get it to kind of jump around a little bit more. Oh. I don't know if that's going to do it. It seemed like the spark was a little bit small. I also rotated the thermopile to give it a little fresher of a side. I don't think you could see it. Yeah, you can't really see it, but let's hope that cleaning off the screen here a little bit, kind of get some fresh air in here. I'm gonna see if I can clean this out. It's not a ton of dust, but there's quite a bit of dust. If it's blocked, if the screen is blocked on the back side, that'll kind of choke it out. I just don't have one of those, so. Sort of pipe cleaner deals with me, but let's see if I can come up with something. Too much dust from the dryer. Yeah, it gets in the air. See the dust? It floats and it sucks it in.
All right.
Yeah, so this is
Put the ducto for the trash bag outside.
Yeah. Oh yeah? Oh, like, who's your boss?
Omar Flores, Rancho San Diego.
Omar?
Omar.
Yeah.
Pros. Se recomienda.
Oh yeah. Tell him thank you. Muchas gracias, Omar. Okie dokie. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Moment of truth. Ah, yeah. There we go. First shot. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're good. Woo! I'm glad you had the. Look, I saw the compressor. I was like, oh, I bet he's got a chingadera one. No comprende the name of it. You know, the name of the gun, right? The gun. Yeah.
Yo dice churros, pero ese es bueno en one and one bed, pero I don't know.
Yeah, no, I have same at home, 3. Then I have a big one, you know, a good one. I got a tank. I was at work. I was doing construction and the phone call. So I'm like, oh, I'll go by. All right, let's see. Yeah,
It's working.
it's working. Maybe dust. It's hard to say. It so the flame needs oxygen. Needs air. So it pulls the air in, and then it comes up for the flame, and the lint from the dryer is very fine, and it floats in the air and it sucks it in, and it can choke it out and just clogs everything. It's not very old. It's 2021. It's under warranty. It's good. It's a good heater. But yeah, you're going now.
Okay.
Yeah. Woo. Cool. You'll have hot water, hot showers.
Yeah, this is 3 days. No.
Oh no, that's a long time. Yeah, 3 days. 3 days.
3 days, no.
Oh man.
No hot water. This
Yeah.
is weather.
Should be good. You got the blue light.
Yes.
Alright, we got it. Just kind of blew through the pilot tube, pushed a lot of lint out with the compressor. Thanks to my friend Victor. Thank you, Victor. Victor let me use the compressor
Yeah, no problem.
with the spray nozzle. No problem. Got it all cleaned out. And she's up. Got a blue light. It's a 2021 Rheem. Looks like a 40-gallon. And next to a dryer. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Have a great day.